Welcome, dear Goenkans, to the GK class. Hope you all are fine. In today's GK class, we will start with natural disasters. That's on page number 21. So, what are natural disasters? Natural disasters are violent events that are outside the control of humans. They are caused by the forces of nature and may result in loss of life, injury, and damage to property. There are so many types of natural disasters like volcanic eruption, cyclone, tsunami, flood, earthquake, and drought. So in this exercise, you have to identify different types of natural disasters and write their names. My dear kids, when any natural disaster occurs in any area, you should donate generously to relief funds for victims of such natural disasters. So the first one is earthquake. You all will write down earthquake in the space provided. Earthquakes are the shaking and rolling of the earth's surface. They are the earth's natural means of releasing stress. When the earth has to release its stress, earthquakes are caused. Next we have flood. Flood is a rise of water with no place to go. It's caused by heavy rain or melting of snow that cannot be absorbed by the ground, rivers or streams, and hence floods are caused. Then we have drought. It's a type of natural disaster that occurs when an area gets less than its normal amount of rain over months or even years, resulting to dryness of land. It affects plants, animals, humans, and it is a serious problem for farmers as well. Then we have cyclone. Cyclone is a powerful spinning storm that contains strong winds and rain. It's a sort of circular storm that forms over warm oceans. The winds can destroy buildings, rip out trees by their roots. Then we have volcanic eruption. You all will write down volcanic eruption in the space provided. Volcanoes are openings in the earth's surface usually found in mountains, and when these openings allows hot lava to escape, which causes volcanic eruptions. And then we have tsunami. Tsunami is a large ocean wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake or a volcanic explosion. All right, and they can also cause very serious problems and damage to the property and to the lives of humans, plants, and animals. So, dear kids, this was all about natural disasters. I'll get back to you with another session. Till then, stay blessed and take care.